What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Steve from Printer Gang Investments, back with another video. And in today's video, that market sold off, man. We got surprised like bad jobs data. They're saying jobs data was so bad, we haven't seen that kind of data since like '09 and COVID. So, that's not a good sign. On top of that, they still haven't, kind of solution on the Trump tariffs. Trump was talking about like pausing certain tariffs, but people don't want to hear a pause. They want like a concrete solution. So the market's just not liking it, and the market decides to sell off again. So Palantir was down like 10-11% today. I think the QQQ was down like 3%. NASDAQ, the SPY sold off crazy. Everything sold off crazy again. So, we had some calls yesterday. Obviously, they got hit up. But, few of our puts bounced back. We did a little bit of day trade on puts. We still took a hit, but we did make some little money on the side, buy some shares, and we prepared for what comes next. So, let's go through these positions, man. So, first with the Palantir position. As you can see, a lot of my old puts are gone. I actually consolidated those with a QQQ put I was day trading today. And I bought this put right here. I actually had another one, and I'm going to show y'all the history in a second. We made some money off that one. And we got this one. So if the market decides to keep crashing, they'll pay us on this. We actually rolled our longer dated call, took like 100, 200 off of it, bought a share of Palantir, which I'm kind of glad we did because the market went on and seriously sold off after that. So, at this point, we up to 93 shares of Palantir, man. And, we just going to keep adding to them. This is what we do during those dips. Like, options getting hit up, but as far as the shares, if you believe in these companies, if you're in the right companies, they'll most likely eventually bounce back. Nothing's guaranteed in the market, but if you got a real company, you believe in it, you know what I'm saying, they growing, they doing what they supposed to do, they executing, we won't let necessarily market factors, macro sell-off, affect them. So that's where we at with that. Now, Tesla, on the other hand, they just getting hit from all ends. Macro, business messing up, politics, everything. So, Tesla all the way down at 261. We just been buying a dip hand over fist. They keep selling off. They keep selling off. I'm not mad at it, you know what I'm saying? Because, we don't got that big of a Tesla position. As someone who's trying to build a Tesla position, this is decent. But I wouldn't advise anybody to trade the options right now. Even I wouldn't trade the options right now. It's in free fall. But, we have the $914 worth of Tesla. Like I said, they're going to test my thesis. We don't care about making no money this year on Tesla. And I'm going to have to prove why soon. So SPY, we have the $947 worth of the SPY from trading. Vistra Energy down on Vistra Energy. Crazy. I need to add to that. Walmart's down. Oklo is down. I told you. And that's the thing. Any company that's not profitable is going to be getting hit up crazy. If you got companies like Palantir and Nvidia that are profitable getting hit up like this, any company that's not profitable yet, a pre-revenue, it is not the time for it. So, like I said, I'm riding it out with Oklo, but we're going to see it could get very real. It could get very real. All right. Nvidia is getting hit up. We add to it. And actually, a stock we recently sold to add to the Nvidia dip, Broadcom, actually just beat earnings, went crazy. So, that's a good sign. It's just showing that, the actual AI trade is still doing what it needs to do behind the scenes, regardless of all these macro pressures. So, like I said, we're not done with Broadcom or Salesforce. We'll be adding to them again. It's just right now we was focusing on the bigger companies that's really, really selling off. And I'm actually probably going to be even more aggressively trading these puts if the market keeps selling off like that. So we're going to probably be able to add, bigger positions when we make money off our puts than we normally do. So, that'll be coming soon. MicroStrategy still hit up. As the time was recording, they're saying they did a strategic Bitcoin reserve. So I don't know, that might help Bitcoin. We're going to find out. But, as of right now, we down on those. We adding to them. We always adding the Bitcoin. We don't do it as fast as like our stock positions because, I don't want my Bitcoin position to be as big as my stock position, but we do add to it. Let's see, Meta. I think I did add the Meta today. IBM, I didn't add the IBM. I need to. Robinhood, I think I might have added the Robinhood today. These grab calls, I don't know what to do with the grab calls in the middle of the sell-off. I might leave them there because I got time on them, but who knows? I might sell half of them, just to be safe. We'll decide. We'll decide. Let's see. Google. I don't know if I add the Google today. Amazon and Advanced Auto Parts hit up. So let's go through the history and show some of the stuff we did today, because we did a lot today. Let's see. Oh, okay. So yeah, first thing we did this morning was we got out this Palantir car we had yesterday while it was still up and bought that new one for 84. That one got spanked, so you know it's a good thing we got some of that out of there. Then looks like we bought a Palantir put. Looks like, yeah, we did a lot today. Did a lot today. Let's see. Yeah, we sold the car, bought a put, sold the put. Ooh, I forgot I even did that trade today. Yeah, we was trading today. Sold the put, and you know we was buying SPY Palantir NVIDIA. Bought another put, then bought $10 worth of SPY, $10 worth of Tesla, $10 worth of Palantir. Bought a call because, like I said, I sold that one for $835. Bought one for $650 right before we really sold off for real. Bought a whole share of Palantir. Bought more SPY, Tesla, NVIDIA. Sold a put up. That looks like that put. Sold that one for a loss. Yeah, I made that a gain on that first one. Then the second one, 146.75. We sold for 127. Then we bought another put on the QQQ, which we sold that one too early, man. I messed up. When I filled it, they didn't give me the right price. We only made $2. That sucks, because if I had held that, I would have made crazy money. I should have held this one. Look at what it's worth. What's the quote on that? 257. Yeah, I played myself on that one. We bought it for 184. Anyway, let's see. Bought another put, 474. Sold it for 144, sold it for 166. Made some money on that put. Probably should have held that one. Let's see, it went to 176. Oh, we didn't miss much on that one. Then, let's see, bought another put for 131. Bought Palantir, SPY, NVIDIA. Look like we sold that one for a small loss. And then we bought this put for 340. We sold all our remaining puts, the old ones I told y'all about that y'all seen on the channel. A lot of them was like flat or only down like 30, 35, 40%, stuff like that. So we sold those, put all that money into this put for 340, because it was like we had really made money off all them puts and they was bouncing back. So I used the money to buy something new. Then we sold that for 340. Bought one for 340, ended up selling that for 415, made like another 75 bucks. Then we bought the one I got now for $335. And we ended the day buying SPY, Tesla, Palantir, Walmart, NVIDIA, IBIT, Amazon, and Meta. So, we selling off in the market, but I'm just adding to positions. So when the dip's finally over, the goal is to have bigger positions than ever. And hopefully some calls too, you know what I'm saying? But, for now we selling off. And it's going to be time to go through some stocks, see what's going on. Let's see. So, yeah, you see blood red everywhere. NVIDIA down 5.7. SPY was down 1.8 basically. QQQ was down 2.8 basically. Palantir was down 10.73. SoFi was down 7. Amazon was down 3.6. Google was down a little bit. Bitcoin's moving down. Hood's down. Just down, you name it. Hims got hit 15%. I actually need to short some of these non-profitable companies or buy the puts on those, because they getting hit up a little hard in Palantir. We can make more money to the downside. Let's see. Yeah, everything's red. I don't even see much green today for real. So, yeah, everything is red out here. You name it. It's red. Like I say, they don't like the Trump tariffs. They don't like the jobs data. They thinking this could be a recession. They thinking it could be a depression. I'm thinking I know how to buy puts. And, the worse it gets, sooner or later we just going to start buying bigger puts. And, instead of making $100, $200 while the portfolio sell off, we might start, doing bigger puts so we can make more money as the portfolio sells off, you know what I'm saying? But let's look at these stocks. Let's look at Palantir. If they let my chart pop up, man. I don't know what's wrong with TradingView tonight. Anyway. Anyway, man. But yeah, man. These stocks, man, they falling through all their levels. It's really, while we waiting on this chart to load, I feel like now is a good time to talk about, what's going on in the market with the technicals, the fundamentals, and the macro, because I don't know what's up with my trading view right now. So anyway, what I would tell people is, we got our technicals, and our technicals are very important, but it's all macro based. It's like if Trump says something good, the market's going to go up. If Trump says something bad, the market's going to go down. You know what I'm saying? So it's about stick with your thesis, and you'll be all right. So first, I done pulled up this QQQ. I don't know what's up with my chart. They're not even showing me my order blocks or nothing, but it's all good. Look like we're going to bounce off this 200. Looks like we're going to hit this 200 EMA because they're talking about that actually on CNBC right now. We just hit that 200 EMA, and they don't want to show anything on my chart. But yeah, we just hit the 200 EMA. We slightly below it. We closed there, so, people want to see how it's going to react there. I'm very interested as well how it's going to react there. It's really about, the news. We're going to see what happens tomorrow. We do got another set of numbers come out tomorrow. Hopefully those will be good. And, Broadcom did beat, so that's a good thing. And let's see. We finally got a chart to pull up. So, yeah. Came down to this 200 EMA. We should bounce here, but like I say, with Trump in, it's not really about the bounce. It's about what the macro says. So, I want to see how we react here. We didn't just close below it, but we closed at it. So that's very interesting. If we don't bounce here and fall through these levels, we could go all the way down like 458 on the QQQ. So that'd be crazy if that were to happen. So next, let's look at Palantir. If they want to finally show me the chart. It don't look like they want to show me the chart tonight for whatever reason. But it's basically the same story, man. I guess we'll just kick it a little short with the charts since they playing with the charts tonight. But anyway, with all the charts, it's the same basic concept. It's all about the macro. It's all about what they say, what they do, man. Let's see. We got this Palantir chart. I might cut it short here just with these two just because something wrong with my internet connection, I guess, or my phone signal or whatever is not working. But yeah, we got right back down almost to the same area that we were at. So, I want to see is we going to make equal lows again here. It's like the third test. So, the same levels still apply. That's 78, 77. We still got equilibrium at the same place. Like I said, it's all macro based. Let's see. I'm trying to see now. Like I say, all these things could bounce here. They're all giving bounce levels, but it's so news based. What I would actually do and what I'm going to do in the morning, that's how I've been making my day trades. I really just been on a lower time frame, just looking for breaks of structure and just following the trend. So that's what I advise anyone to do if you're trading. If you're not trading, you're just investing. Just close your eyes, invest in your companies, and let time pass. Because, contrary to popular belief, we do like to do a lot of trading, but we long-term investors. So, most of these shares, we just going to keep them. When we do sell shares, we just consolidate them into other positions, and we just let everything ride. But it's your boy Steve from Printer Gang Investments. I'm going to see y'all in the next video, and we're going to keep surviving this sell-off.